Hello everyone, this is Kay Esser from RegDesk with a quick regulatory update. Let's take a look at our top 3 essential alerts in medical device regulations. For our alerts this week, we're going to have alerts from Mexico, Lithuania, and Hong Kong. For our first alert in Mexico, COFEPRIS has published draft guidance on the Mexican official standard PROY NOM 240 SSA1 2024 in the official journal of the Federation. This draft standard establishes the guidelines for the installation and operation of technovigilance in order to guarantee the protection of patient health and safety of medical devices in use in the national territory. This was published July 24, 2024, and interested parties have 60 calendar days from the date of publication to submit their comments in Spanish with sufficient technical support to the National Consultative Committee for Standardization of Regulation and Health Promotion. For our second alert in Lithuania, as of June 21, 2024, medical devices in Lithuania can now be marketed and used with instructions in English due to new health system regulations. For our third alert in Hong Kong, MDD Hong Kong has recently updated clauses 8.3.11 and 8.6 of Technical Reference TR 006, Classification of In Vitro Diagnostic Medical Devices. Thank you for joining us. You can stay updated with RegDesk for your most important regulatory news. This is Gay Esser with your top essential alerts.